In this video, we're going to practice Bokhara couching stitch. And Bokhara couching stitch is like if satin stitch and couching stitch had a baby. So I'm just going to make a couple lines there because those are going to be where I actually do my couching. So I'm going to come up on one side, down on the other. Then I'm going to come back to those little lines I just made, and I'm going to tack down this stitch. And do it on both lines because what it's going to do is make a pattern on top of a pattern. So then to start my second one, I'm just going to place it to the side of that one. Is all there is to it. Find more embroidery resources at rosannadiggs.com.